Hi boys and girls, it's time for writing. Today we're going to be looking at our writing choice board and we're going to be looking at our gratitude sign. But we're going to do it just a little bit differently today because instead of making a sign, we're going to make a card for our mom. Okay, so to get started, let's look at our choice board. We're going to look right here. It says make a gratitude sign. Gratitude means to be thankful for something and to show kindness. So who are you thankful for? Hang your sign in the front of your window of your home, and then this part says thank you. Now, this says it could be for anybody, which it can, but Mother's Day is coming up soon, so we're going to make a card for our mom. So, Mom, if you're listening, you can go away now. Is she gone? Good, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to need is something to draw with, a pencil, and a piece of paper. So you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half. So we're going to take it, we're going to fold it corner to corner, and then we're going to turn it to where it looks like a book when we open it up. Now, I'm going to teach you how to draw some flowers on the front of your card. Okay, you ready? So here's the middle of our page. We're going to move up a little bit and we're going to draw the letter U. Now, sometimes when we draw the letter U, we add like a stick at the end of it. This time we're just going to draw a curve. So look, the letter U. And then you stop. Then you're going to draw the letter V twice. V, V. They look like flowers, don't they? Now we're going to turn it and we're going to do it again. We're going to draw the letter U. We're going to draw the letter V and the letter V. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to draw the letter U. We're going to draw the letter V and the letter V. Now it's okay that they're not the same size or facing the same direction because flowers go all over the place. But now we need to add their stems. So we're going to draw a line straight down. And then from here, we're going to go from the middle of the flower down, and from the middle of the flower and down. Now in the middle right here where they all touch, we're going to draw a bow. So we're going to draw a circle. And then we're kind of going to draw like an O and a C kind of mixed together. So we're going to go around and stop. Around and stop. And then our ribbon is going to have two little tails that come out. Now you can draw your flowers and your bow any color that you want. Oh, we have to add petals. So you can color any color you want. I already have one colored just to save us some time. And I suggest that you color your bow before you trace over your green stems. That way it's not all green and mushy in the middle. So for our last flower, which again, you can color these any color you want, I really want you to make sure that you're taking your time, being nice and neat. We're not scribbling. We're not coloring outside the lines. You know what? I bet it'd be really cute. I know you're so creative. I bet y'all could add like polka dots or zigzags to it. Miss Myers just made some basic flowers. Now at the top here, we're going to write thank you because we are so thankful that our mom is our mom. So let's go to the top and we're going to write thank you. Now, if you don't remember how to spell thank you, remember it was on that beginning of our video on our choice board. Now, we're going to get into the inside of our card. Now, we're on the inside, and now I want to be really clear real quick. Sometimes, maybe our mom isn't at home with us. So this card can be for anyone in your life that you're thankful for and that you want to show how thankful you are. A gratitude card. It could, maybe it's not your mom, maybe it's your aunt or your grandma or your cousin or your neighbor who's helping take care of you right now and you want to make this card for them. That is a-okay. So remember, this card can be for anyone that you're thankful for, but Mother's Day is coming up. So if your mom is at your house, this card is for your mom. If your mom isn't, it can be for anyone that you want it to be for, okay? So let's start at the beginning, and we're going to write whoever you're going to write this for. So if this is for your mom, you're going to write mom. If it's for your aunt, you're going to write aunt. If it's for your neighbor, you can write their name. So since my card's for my mom, I'm going to go ahead and write mom. I start with a capital because that's her name. And I put a comma because I'm going to start my sentences down here. So it says mom, and now we're going to think, what do we want to tell our mom? What are we thankful for our mom? So I want you to stop and think for a second. What are you thankful for? Maybe you're thankful that your mom is really kind to you. So we could say, I love that you are kind. That's 6 words that we could write about right here. I love that you are kind, period. Now remember, beginnings of our sentence, capital letter. I love that you are kind. I love that you are kind. What else do you love about your mom? Go ahead, think about it. Maybe you just want to say thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. That's 5 words. Thank you for helping me, period. Now remember, we wrote thank you on the front of our card right here. So if you don't remember how to spell it, you can look at the front or you can look at your choice board. We start every sentence with a capital letter. Thank you for. Now helping, we're going to have to stretch out. Helping. Helping. Thank you for helping me, period. Now, boys and girls, you can write as many things as you want to write about why you're thankful for your mom and why you love her. But when we're done, at the bottom, we have to sign our name. Now, since this is my card and it's from my mom doesn't call me Miss Myers, right? She calls me by my first name. So at the bottom of my card, I'm going to put love, and I'll put a comma, and then I'm going to write my name. Lauren. So now when my mom gets her card, she's going to take it. She's going to see that I'm telling her thank you. She's going to see the picture that I drew. Feel free to decorate it more if you would like. And then on the inside, it says, I love that you are kind. Thank you for helping me. You can even put, I love you, Mom, or I love you, Aunt, or I love you, Grandma. I love you, Mimi. Whoever your card is for, you could add that at the end of your sentence too, and then you sign your name. So boys and girls, I really hope that you take your time this week to make a gratitude card for someone special in your family. And this Sunday is Mother's Day, so I really hope you have some fun things in store to show your mom how much you care about her. Can't wait to see your cards. Bye, friends.